What motivated me to study in Israel was the quality of education I could get that wouldn't completely break the bank. I really love Beersheba as a city. I love how walkable it is, and especially if you're going to the old city, there are a lot of things there for students. My favorite part, so for my academic experience, is working in a lab. To have that opportunity, there are research labs here, and I can just go to one and be like, hi, do you need a student? And then it gives you that experience of like, okay, what happens in a lab? How does research actually occur? And then you can decide, like, is this something I want to do with my life or not? I think one of the best kept secrets is how much study material you can find from other students. No one wants someone else to fail. So I think in BGU you get a good mix of not only are you getting a high level of education, but you're also getting a lot of help. The part of campus life I love the most is probably the amount of programs and clubs there are to do here. There are a lot of different programs for you to meet a huge amount of people from all walks of life. It just really brings the diversity of Beersheba and Ben-Gurion specifically to the forefront. Ben-Gurion is a very unique place. There's this calmness in the air that even if you're stressed and you're studying and everything's horrible, you can find yourself a patch of grass in the sun and breathe.